Welcome back, guys. Today we have the 2002 Chevy 2500 HD. It's got the 6-liter engine in it, 4x4, and he needs brakes. Well, he asked me if I can do a brake job. Sure, no problem. Went to pull codes because he's got an ABS light on. Found that he also has a P033, I think. I forgot what it was. But basically it's a knock sensor. So he's got that going on. And when I did pull it in the shop, it didn't sound too healthy. But I know it's got like 234,000 miles on it. And I bet you anything they just need to upgrade the oil, put something different in it. Probably the 530 that it's calling for is probably not helping it. So I'm gonna get this wheel off. I'll start getting the wheels off. Well, first I gotta get it up in the air, then get the wheels off, and then let's take a look at everything. See you in a bit. Alright, so I got the wheel off. The brakes don't look too bad, but check this out. Look at what I found. Now, you see this wear here, right? So this is part of the ABS. Take a look right here. Look at that chunk missing right here. I bet you anything, that bad boy is arcing out or it's broken. So we gotta get the price on that one and see if we can get it fixed. Well, guess what I found?
8 hours later.
Yeah, the brake light went out. That's good. I did clear the code for the ABS, but the moment I turned that key on, son of a gun, it came right back on. So that just sucks. It just sucks. He has a plethora of stuff going on underneath the engine. He's got tie rods leaking, or they're messed up, ball joints. All the fluids have to be changed in it. And oh man, so I don't want to be gouging him. So he's going to be doing everything piece by piece. So engine main seal on the engine. I mean, he's got a lot that needs to be done. His ABS is not shutting down. I think it's also got something to do with that rear axle leaking, plus that front one being, messed up. There's a lot that he needs to get done underneath that hood. And I hate to throw everything at him, but I'm going to be talking to him tomorrow and saying, hey, this is everything that needs to be done. And all the fluids, yeah, definitely all the fluids. The knock sensor, I think the oil is just too thin for a 200,000 mile truck. I may need to get some thicker oil in it. I don't know, but I don't know what to do from this point. Just drop it off to him. I did what I did. Well, guys, it's pretty dang late. It's almost midnight for a 3-hour job on this thing. It turned out almost an 8-hour job. Broke a jack, so I had to go find me a jack. Broke my dual piston caliper. Broke that one. Broke my T55. Broke that one today. The rotors, they didn't have none in stock, so I had to go and get them turned. That took a day and a half. And then they didn't have no brake hardware kits, so I didn't want to wait around. Customer wants the truck in the morning. I ain't gonna wait around for him to show up 2 days later. Customer didn't want to get that wheel bearing or the axle seal done, so those brakes are gonna wear out prematurely. But as far as everything else, everything's done. Done that I was asked to do. I'm gonna wipe the truck down, and then I'll see you all the next one. Later. Hey guys, it's Jason or Otter, whatever you want to call me, here at Oddballs, also known as J&J Automotive. I'm looking for some particular cars, and I got brakes for them. So I'm reaching out to anybody out there that has 1989 Chevy S10 two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, 1982 Celica, 1993 Honda, Cord, believe. I think either Civic or Cord. If you guys are curious about how you can get these brakes for free, DM me and let's talk.